Adding dry ink to the iGen family of presses. To add dry ink to your iGen, first open the left upper door to your print engine. Then open the dry ink cover to the appropriate color you wish to replace. Lower the retaining bar and pull out the toner to that color. To add dry ink to your iGen, simply slide the toner into the appropriate colored slot firmly, raise the retaining bar to the horizontal position, and close the dry ink cover to that color. Finally, close the upper left door to the print engine. Before inserting the toner, rotate the bottle 3 to 4 times to loosen the material.